Excel VDB function. This function calculates the variable declining balance depreciation of an asset for any period you specify. It is the most flexible depreciation function in Excel. The syntax is VDB with parameters cost, salvage, life, start period, end period, and two optional parameters, factor and no switch. There are 7 arguments. Cost is the initial cost of the asset. Salvage is the value at the end of its useful life. Life is the useful life of the asset. Start period and end period define the range for calculation. Factor is an optional decline rate, defaulting to 2 for double declining balance. And no switch, when set to true, prevents switching to straight line depreciation. Let's look at several examples using an asset that costs $2,400 with a salvage value of $300 and a 10-year life. VDB can calculate depreciation for a single day, returning $1.32. For the first month, it returns $40. For the entire first year, it returns $480. You can also calculate months 6 through 18, which gives $396.31. And with a factor of 1.5, that same period gives $311.81. The main result for the first year is $480. This is the double declining balance depreciation, which depreciates the asset more aggressively in early years compared to straight line. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when any argument is non-numeric. A num error occurs when cost, salvage, start, end, or factor is negative, when life is 0 or negative, or when the start period is greater than the end period. Key points to remember. VDB is the most flexible depreciation function. It handles partial periods and custom decline rates. By default, with a factor of 2, it uses double declining balance and automatically switches to straight line when that becomes more beneficial. Set no switch to true to prevent switching to straight line. You can also adjust the factor for different decline rates, such as 1.5 for 150% declining balance. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.